Hello everyone and welcome to this MBL session on how to utilize data protection impact assessments for AI risk assessment, a guide for business. This is a session that we have put together based on the expertise that I've had at Digital Law in terms of advising our clients with regards to their governance around the use of artificial intelligence and using DPIAs as a tool to allow you to identify risk and then to decide, having identified that risk, what you're going to do to minimize it. So it's taking that idea of what a DPIA does and applying it to the technology of AI. You can apply a DPIA not just to AI. We do a lot of these for our clients on any new bit of technology or kit that they might be using. So if, for example, they were going to use a new case management system, or if they're building a new website or a new portal or a new app, or if, for example, they're going to use a new communications platform for internal comms, these are all the sorts of things where you'd think, right, we're going to be collecting personal data. This is where it's a good idea to carry out a data privacy impact assessment. My name is Peter Wright. I am a solicitor and the managing director at Digital Law. We've been advising clients for over a decade on the use of technology and AI. Yes, we were advising our clients on AI before ChatGPT came around, indeed for a number of years before that. And I'm going to hopefully share the benefit of that expertise with you today. So in terms of what we'll look at, we'll go through what relevant legislation is currently out there. We'll look at what ICO guidance we currently have around data protection impact assessments. And then we'll look at those usual key metrics of fairness, lawfulness, and transparency. So we'll also be looking then at necessity and proportionality, which are, of course, again, those very key metrics in terms of how you're going to use the technology and what application it will be employed on. We'll be looking at how you analyze different types of AI. Yes, AI is not just ChatGPT. It's everything from the transcribers that you may have that are now taking notes of meetings, through to spell checkers, through to grammar checking tools, proofreaders, document drafters, all of these things which aren't necessarily large language models, but still use a hefty chunk of AI to help their service be more accessible and more useful for the public. We'll look at things like the risk-based approach that the EU AI Act is looking for, and look at the application of the EU AI Act indeed when it comes to the fact that it's EU legislation and therefore do you need to comply with it or not. We'll also look at how you then document and mitigate risks under your DPIA, and we'll look at the importance of human oversight. Yes, hallucinations continue to happen with regards to the development and use of AI. So while it can be a great time saver, we'll look at the things you need to do to make sure that you don't put exactly all of your eggs into the AI basket where it could end up, that could be potentially to your detriment.